Hi, Scott Schubert here. In this video I'm going to share with you what more and more people throughout the world are discovering and considering to be the most ideal business in the world. And over the last few years, many people who are involved in this business have expressed to me that they have a burning passion to contribute something to the world, to make the world a better place. Now, I don't know what you'll choose to do with your life, but you may be one of those people who also has a burning desire to change the world. Have you ever wanted to make a difference in the world, but maybe you find yourself too busy running the never-ending rat race of corporate enslavement? Have you ever felt that there are more important things you need to do besides get up, go to work, and make money for someone else? Here are some things that you might have considered doing. Maybe you have an interest in protecting the rainforest in order to enable there to be enough oxygen to sustain life on this planet. Maybe you've had a desire to help end hunger in third world countries. And did you know that there are a lot of opportunities to help end hunger even in countries like the United States? Maybe you're interested in finding ways to get rid of stress and anxiety in your life and in the lives of others. There are some service organizations in the world that have found that helping people to get rid of stress and anxiety is actually contributing to creating world peace and reducing the amount of violence in the world. Maybe you'd like to have more time to work on personal development and self-improvement. Or maybe you'd like to travel to exotic places. Perhaps you dream of spending time at some of the most beautiful beaches in the world. Or maybe you'd just like to have more fun and do things exciting and just be able to spend more time doing things that are physically active. Have you ever tried bungee jumping, zip lining, or maybe even skydiving? Well, you can join with others who also consider Forex trading to be the ideal business and who also want to help change the world in the Platinum Trading Group, where Forex traders meet together every day in real time to interact with each other and see the current trading opportunities as they happen. What would you consider the ideal business to be like? Well, one thing that would be nice is if there are no products to sell, and that's the case with Forex trading. There's no service provided. You don't have any customers, you don't sell any products, and you don't provide any service. Not having any customers and not having any need to provide customer service itself is an extremely desirable characteristic of a business to many people who have tried other businesses. There are no phone calls to make in Forex trading. Again, this is radically different from what you may have experienced if you've tried other businesses. If you derive your income from trading financial markets, such as trading the Forex currency spot market, then your business is not tied to any geographic area. With almost every other business, your business is going to be confined to a geographic area which you typically cannot leave. For instance, if you own a restaurant, that restaurant is located in a physical location in a city, and you can't leave that area unless your business is able to be fully managed and run without you being present. Almost any kind of a service business, such as a plumbing, carpet cleaning, a computer repair business, even doctors and attorneys have businesses that are completely tied in to a geographic area. With Forex trading, you can take your mobile device, your laptop, and go just about anywhere in the world and continue to conduct your business the same as if you were at home or in your office. And that means that if you decide that you want to attend an important personal development training program in another city, you can go there and do that. If you'd like to visit some family you haven't seen in a while, if you want to spend time in the mountains, or if you want to spend time at the beach, or go to an exotic island location, or if you want to go to other countries and do philanthropic work, if you have a mission you'd like to accomplish, or just would like to have fun doing some exotic thing in some other country where you've never been, well, you can do that and continue to conduct your business the same as if you were at home. One of the most amazing and beautiful aspects of the Forex trading business is that it continues to produce excellent business opportunity through all economic cycles. Here's a chart of the euro versus the dollar, and this vertical line represents around 9/11 of 2001, and right after that period of time, most businesses in America suffered tremendous loss of income, but the Forex currency pairs continued to produce excellent trading opportunities with beautiful trends. Over during this time is when all the global economic crisis was occurring and banks were going out of business in the United States, and the Forex currency pairs continued to produce excellent trading opportunities. If you're familiar with how trading Forex currency pairs works, you know that the opportunity is the same whether the pair is going up or down. And so far, if you examine charts of Forex currency pairs from the past and just examine them on all different time frames during the periods of time when global economic crisis was occurring, you will see that those currency pairs produced trading opportunities if you know how to enter and exit trades with a reliable strategy and signal. Almost any other type of business that involves the selling of any kind of a product or service is very likely to suffer some decline in income if there is any kind of economic crisis. But with trading the Forex market, the opportunity remains virtually the same, and sometimes the opportunity increases during global economic crisis because you see more volatility, that is, more movement of price. And that's how we actually create profit in Forex trading, is when there is movement of price. The only time there would not be opportunity is if there is no movement, if the charts went flat. And so far that's not been the case, especially during times of economic crisis. There are actually very low startup costs involved in Forex trading. If you have ever looked at starting a business, and if you have calculated the costs that are involved and done some research, or if you've started other businesses before, you know that starting a Forex trading business is extremely cheap. There's almost nothing that you need other than a computer, an internet service, and some training to show you what really works. There's actually a very short learning time in Forex trading compared with most other careers and businesses. Many people have experienced that they can learn to successfully trade Forex in less than 2 years, and some people are getting positive results in even less than 6 months. Compare this to any other business or career, and you'll see that it's a very short amount of time to spend learning and developing a skill. Another thing that's very desirable is that you can be your own boss. Many people really crave to have a life of freedom and independence where you don't have to have someone else telling you what to do all the time. Some people consider it to be very desirable that you can work in your pajamas. Well, if you've ever had to put on a suit and tie and dress shoes every day and go to work, well, perhaps you can relate to that. When you really do your research and when you really look at the Forex trading business and compare it to other businesses, I think you'll agree that this is one of the most fantastic and ideal businesses that is possible to have in the world today. In our next video, we're going to explore how to overcome the challenges to getting started on the path to success in Forex trading, and more specifically, how to not get ripped off by Forex scams. For more information, go to forextradingseminar.com.